Radhe Radhe everyone, Jai Gurudev. Today we'll be discussing what mudras are, how do they work, and why exactly we are performing them, the science behind them. But first of all, we must discuss the elements present inside and the tip of our hands so that we can exactly extract what do we do and why, what benefits do we extract from it. First of all, your thumb, it has the fire element. Your index finger, it has the air element. Your middle one has space element. Your ring finger has water element and the little one has earth element. With an example, we will be discussing how do these work. Now, let's practice Agni Mudra. What Agni Mudra is, you fold your ring finger and then you overlap it with your thumb. This becomes Agni Mudra. Now, Agni Mudra, what it does, it increases the heat in your body. Thus, your digestion gets better and if you have any gut related problems, it solves them. If constipation, if you have loose motion, they will worsen. Why? Because it is increasing your digestion, it is increasing your pitta as an acid. Now pitta is formed by the combination of two elements, air, water and fire. It has the properties of fire, whereas it is in the state and medium of water, hence water plus fire. It is related to separate topic of Ayurveda, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which will be topic for another video. But for now, focusing on Mudra, what Agni Mudra does, we fold the water element, water, and overlap it with fire. Thus, it suppresses the water element in the body and increases the fire element. This is how these mudras work. Now, if we take Jnana Mudra, we fold this index and then we meet the thumb while the rest three are kept straight. What happens is when the air meets the fire, then this divine flame, not too much, the divine flame inside of you, the divine knowledge, which is the soul, it is able to rise above and it finally reaches your conscious mind. The knowledge is already within you. It just reaches that conscious state in your mind where it is able to express itself and enables you to use that divine wisdom and knowledge into your day-to-day life or whatsoever. This is how Jnana Mudra works. There are different mudras for different reasons, because it is not just the elements present in our hand, but there are also different nadis and veins, arteries. We also use them. Like there is this heart mudra. You put this at the base of your thumb, your index finger, and then you keep your little finger straight and touch the tips of these fingers, ring, mid and thumb. This is Hriday Mudra. It is good for stress and heart, your heart related problems or your emotional problems, everything, it comes under this only. This is it for the mudras, everyone. We'll be discussing Vata